Hello guys, today I'll show you how to use any video as your ringtone. First go to Play Store and download this app, Beyond Video Ringtones, BYNG. Open it.
Hi.
Get a start. Give there your phone number. Confirm. Verify. It is verified.
Hi guys, I'm Veronica, and this is your...
Okay, there you will get so many videos such as cats video or fails. Just
We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box.
I'll select this video as my video ringtone. Click there on dance. Done. Okay. This. Now I will call on my phone from my mom's number. Calling. I am calling on my phone. Yeah, mom calling. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Courier. Okay, now select this. I didn't select. Okay, now it has select. Okay, cut this and call again. Yeah, now playing this video. Let's see. For headphone, the audio is not playing. For that, but if I call for second time, it will play another video. It is playing another video. If I call for third time, it will play again video. Yes, it is playing now another video. For I am telling again that for headphone playing. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe my channel.